So I wanted to quickly break down a recent project that I worked on um, with this company, Bent Lever. Great group of people. The team, the people that I was working with are very nice, very easy to work with. And so I just kind of wanted to quickly break down what I was able to help them fix and some of the things that we did. So the original problem was, if you look here, so pulled up here is the one of the collection that they have. If you look at the filters here, these filters, what would happen is the products that were both available and weren't available would show up here, and you could see all of them. So it would have all the parts available, and the ones that weren't available would be grayed out, but they would still show. So then the customer could possibly click on it thinking that this product is available. When they click on it, nothing happens, and it's confusing. So they wanted a way to clean all this up to make the user experience a little more simpler. Only show products available on the filter. If it's not available, don't show it. So that's what I was able to help them do to help clean up the filters. And then before, each filter section had a button, see more, but there was no need for that button since now we're cleaning it up. We're only showing available products. So they have this icon here that lets you open and close the drawer. So I was able to help them clean that up. The next thing that we were able to help is, you notice here that so in this category here, everything is in alphabetical order. Before, the products were just categorized in any um, category. It wasn't ABC order, wasn't in any order, but I was able to help them put all these category items in alphabetical order just to make things more simple. You come down, each thing's in a category, and everything goes from A to Z. So that was just to clean up the website on that aspect as well. And some fixing some small stuff here and there, but those were two key features that I was able to help them solve. And again, like I said, nice group of people that I was able to work with. Very nice project. But I just wanted to share that to kind of show you some of the things that we were able to do in the store. If you're interested in setting something like this up for your store, if you have any questions about the product, about the project, or you're trying to implement something on your store, you need some help, I'll be more than happy to help you out and to work with you. All my information is down below if you want to reach out. But once again, I hope this video was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.